Hey guys, nice to meet you. I'm June, one of the co-founders of Pentaform. We are a hardware company based in London, founded by ex-Apple people. We specialize in doing everything from chip to model, optimizing every step. So we believe that with multimodal AI getting better every day and costs dropping, there will be a new form factor for AI. But we believe that currently things like smart glasses are not really suitable for all-day wear because anything above 50 grams in front of your face, people don't really wear it for more than an hour. That's why when we, even here, we don't really see many people. And I think heads-up display will take time to get good. So I think we'll still use our phone for now. And whenever you buy these cool AI, new AI hardware, there's no apps on it. If you buy a rabbit, there is freaking Uber, Spotify, and DoorDash. I can do that on my existing phone. So I think from our perspective, what we think is that for AI wearables to be successful, it needs to solve these problems and already fit into an existing device that you already use. So this is what we're working on. We're creating a real-time personalized intelligence, available through seamless wearable. And here, we recently participated in the 11 Labs A16Z hackathon in London. Here's a video. Hopefully it works. Oh. Give me a second. I'll show you later. So what it does is that it has two 180 cameras that stitches together the images, and it takes an audio input, etc. And this is our prototype. And we also built a speech-to-app agent, so you can build new apps for the platform. And this is us, and we're going to launch on ProductCon, Kickstarter, etc. And we're based in the Dyson incubation. Too much talking. So I'm just going to run it on my desktop with all the problems. So as you can see, it kind of takes the live input from the camera, and then it analyzes the video throughout the day. And then it also has, the audio is not working, but hey Tally, what can you see? Hey Tally, what can you see?
I see you, June. Wearing a light jacket and glasses, and the lighting is a bit purple. Is there anything specific you want me to focus on?
No, well, what did I get up to last week from the 17th of January 2025?
Last week, on the 15th of January 2025, you focused on a few things. You spent 51 hours and 45 minutes refining ideas for a Pentaform project, focusing on hardware sourcing for the applicants. You also spent 11 hours...
Hey Tally, can you generate me an app that takes the news online and populate the images with Plexel and call it the News and Images app for AI interfaces?